everyone, and welcome to the 2025 DNC Winter Meeting. Thank you, Chair Jamie Harrison, for your incredible leadership of the DNC and for your friendship. You are a powerful fighter, and you have helped make our party stronger. And I thank all the leaders here today for your hard work, your determination, and your commitment to fighting to always build a brighter future for our country. Look, we love our country, and I do believe it is one of the highest forms of patriotism to fight for the ideals of our nation, to fight for freedom, for opportunity, for dignity and justice, not just for some, but for all. And that is exactly what you do in state after state, district after district, from house to house and door to door. You work to energize, organize, and mobilize. And as we look to the fight ahead, your leadership will be even more important. We have some hard work ahead of us. But you know what I like to say? Hard work is good work. Hard work is joyful work. And as we continue to fight for our ideals and to realize the promise of America, I will be with you every step of the way. Have a wonderful meeting, and thank you again. Take care, everyone.